just a few days before last year, or not last year, 1.5 years, 2 years before. I know one person is there. My mentality, almost I'm thinking, just my mentality earlier, hey, money is not there, even money is not there. We have to do the things in grand way. Like this is about my mentality. Just a very close elder person is there with me. I'm just like my friend. I'm always using the word bye, like he's just like he's a son. Okay, like he's always going to consider me. He's always sharing everything with me. Durga, my daughter's daughter. So my daughter's daughter means granddaughter. Auxiliary function. She's planning. Okay. So I told better to do the function in the almost considerable, okay, medium way. And then whatever the money we are going to give, better to buy the gold. And so keep for your daughter. I suggested Durga instead of, so even that day he told, what is the need of function? Just auxiliary function better to do in the house only. Or nearest some 50 or 100 members you can invite. In the small way you can do. You are going to give some amount. With that, better to buy the gold like that day. Believe me, inside I blamed my uncle. I mean that Baba. Okay, it's not my own relative kind of thing. Just Baba, like friends we are always going to use. I blamed Hari. Function. Invite multiple people. He has to invite multiple people. He has to celebrate like anything. This kid is going to remember forever. Arey, my auxiliary function did the wonderful way. Such type of lifetime memory is missing. Why is always thinking about buying the gold? And then like that day, I blamed that person from inside. I didn't tell anything from inside. But later I realized that thing is the correct. Now, for that baby girl, doing auxiliary function, the most grand way are if you are buying almost around 20 lakhs or 25 lakhs, whatever function cost, buying the gold and doing this function namesake. Namesake means, okay, considerable way only. Okay. Over period of time, which is going to provide much benefit for this baby girl. First option or second option?
Second.
If you have huge money, 100 crores money is there with me. By just expanding 50 lakhs, what is the loss? In that 100 crores, one day income is the 50 lakhs. I celebrate grandly with 50 lakhs. Do you have in that stage or not? We require to crunch it. Now, hard earned money we are saving. Even first generation kids also not ready. First generation kids also not ready. Then thinking about these kind of things. Are you getting?
Sir, I have a
Sir.
question. Yeah, I have a question for you, sir.
Yes.
I don't know, should I ask or I don't know.
No problem. You can ask anything.
Yeah. So you brought a car after handling of the psychology of money.
Exactly.
And the car value will be depreciated every year. And
Exactly.
even though you have multiple cars,
Exactly.
so what is the reason of buying another one, spending 40 or 50 lakhs?
You not 40, 50 lakhs. 62 lakhs I paid, 61 lakh. Okay. That day you were not there in my session.
Yeah.
That day you were not there in my session. Believe me. Okay. You are not there in my session. Just the namesake already booked, already paid. Namesake. Just I took that. That day, with full of interest, with full of happiness, with full of joy, with full of dreams, I didn't bought that. Okay. Later, this is the last activity. Already started, already booked, already gave the amount. Now, in the middle dropping, okay, what is the need? For the next cinemas, we require to take care. Like my brother, I asked my brother, Arey, what do you want to do? Let it, let it. I asked my mother, let it continue. Next things, take care. Like, then, believe me, my first car full of dream, full of joy. This car, have you observed? Next,
Yeah.
at the time of booking in the showroom wala, I told, compulsory I have to get a TG07 series only. My number should be 7777. 10 lakhs minimum I'm going to pay to get the number if it is required. Later, what happened?
Yes. You realized.
Show off, not going to work out. Most of the people feels that. I told one example. The man in car paradox. How many people remember? The person who is coming, who is get down from the car, very costly, posh car. Okay, poshy car or otherwise very costly car. Bagata or some car name. What is that name?
Bugatti.
Bugatti. Okay. So from that car, the person get down. All the people, he thought that all the people are going to admire. Oh, this person wonderful. This person did wonderful way, wonderful car. This person is the richest person. This person, the greatest person. Like, suppose if I'm get down from the car, my personal feeling. But really, opposite person feeling is always
On car.
if I own this car, how it will be. If I'm there in the driving seat, how it will be. What features are there for this car? He never going to think about owner. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Next, even known person, one person saw the car. Oh, Durga, you bought this car. Bugatti, wonderful car, man. Congratulations, like he told, and then he left. Next day, I made a phone call. Hare, how are you? Like, Hare, yesterday only we met, right? What changes will be there in one day, like he told? My intention is, I thought that this person is going to talk about my car. Okay. So I thought that, but he's not talking about my car. He's always telling, Arey, do you know, Arey, what else? Like, my kids are studying, right? My small kid, there is some problem is there. I'm thinking about that. Like, Arey, what about your younger kid, elder kid? Like that, that discussion is going only. But my required words, very happy to listen. Such type of things are not coming from that person. Then okay. Without, I can't wait. Then I started, Arey, have you saw my car, right? Yeah. I saw your car, it's good, ra. 1 second he answered, it's good, like, Arey, don't mind, I'm busy. Okay, I'm busy. I require to go to the office. In the evening, I will catch you. Okay, like, he disconnected the call, he's continue. What is the feeling of me? Is my objective got fulfilled? I'm always thinking that they are always consider me as a god. They are going to do always puja. They are going to admire like anything me. Like, that thing is not going to work out. That thing is not going to happen. Everyone has their own works. Everyone has their own responsibilities. Everyone has their own problems, man. They never getting the time to think about you always.